Hey guys, how's it going? Chris here with AC, and today I am back at Universal Studios Hollywood, starting things off here in Jurassic Park and heading over to check out the work on the security hub, or one of the security hubs. And then I'll go through CityWalk, check out a few other things, go inside the park, check out Fast and Furious. It's been a few weeks since my last visit. There's a lot to cover, so let's check everything out. And here we are. They have backfilled all the holes underneath the structure. There is a guy that is boring out the holes for the rails on this ramp. And then they are also installing the final roofing. It's it looks like there's a layer of insulation, and then they have metal roofing on top of the metal roofing. So here's everything here. Let's come around a little bit closer. Look at everything here. Come around a little bit more. Oh, that's a good view. And they're doing a lot underneath. I can't see too well from this angle, but this is where we will eventually have all the security checkpoints. Closer look at the work on the roof. I was kind of wondering how they were going to finish it, and well, that is going to be the final look for the roof. It's going to look pretty good. Doesn't need to be too special. They're digging out a trench over here, and then you can also see where they've put in the curbs. Last time I was here, they were putting in the forms, and the concrete has since been poured, and those forms are taken off. Pretty soon here, there'll be asphalt, assuming asphalt, maybe concrete put in for the road. And now here we are with the security checkpoint by the Curious George parking here in CityWalk. When I was here last, they were working on the structure for the roof. They've since put down the base layer corrugated metal, but they are quickly catching up with the larger one that we were just looking at. And I do believe these are going to be done here by the time Fast and Furious opens, or at least by the summer rush. My buddy Theme Park Wizard was here a couple days ago and saw signs that they are finally starting work on the hotel that will occupy this entire area here, going all the way over to the other side. And that's why we are losing the security processing here, and we're getting those new security hubs for all of CityWalk, because all of this soon will be a hotel. As I make my way around to the other side of security and over towards the Frankenstein parking structure, which I'm heading to anyway, there is a giant fence that has been erected. And then off to my left here is, or right in front of me now, is where the Saddle Ranch restaurant used to be. It was there until 2018, and it's just been used for event space. All of this and all of this, all the way down to where I started, is going to be the hotel. And there's going to be a driveway that's cutting back by that tree line all the way over here, and I'll show you where that driveway will connect to the road. All of this is happening much sooner than I expected. At the moment, it doesn't look like too much. So there's this fence, and then there's a fence on the other side with a bit of a pathway. So my guess is that this is actually going to be the pathway for the people that are coming from the Frankenstein parking structure. They will walk through this tunnel to one of the, I don't know, they'll probably keep a handful of the security checkpoints over there. And then where I'm standing will eventually be construction. Oh, and the exit is over here too. So they have to figure out a way to funnel people that are leaving the park, which is just around the corner from me. Yeah, that's my best guess here. There's a planter with trees. You can see these getting removed. Here's a look at that huge space where Saddle Ranch used to be. And then we have the park exit. Now they might actually just reverse this, so the park exit isn't over here, and they exit you out on the other side, which would be even better. And then coming down here, where we have this drop-off area, looking at the plans, Oh, this is nice. I don't come down here very much. Looking at the plans, roughly over in this area here is where there's going to be a driveway that connects, that goes up to the hotel. And well, I'm already kind of walking this way, so I'll go to the Frankenstein parking structure from over here. Well, look at this. They've removed all the scaffolding underneath the brake run, and there are guys in the track area, so I don't see any testing happening quite yet. It hasn't tested for a few weeks. Actually, well, it wasn't testing last time I was here either, so it's been, what, a month maybe since they last tested it? Here's this, and then gonna come over here and take a look at the other side of things. All right, well, it's a good sign. They have removed all the plastic on the launch track, which was up there as of yesterday or the day before. I've been following along a lot of other accounts, and this is a good sign that they will be testing here. If not today, I imagine by next week for sure they will be doing some testing. Here's the fence from the inside of the security zone, and it goes all the way down to the main gate, all the way around the corner here. It's going to be exciting to follow this project now that Fast and Furious is slowly wrapping up. Here at the overlook, and it is windy. We keep getting these gusts. Hopefully my audio is okay. Underneath the brake run, the turn into the station, there's a bunch of crates. I'm assuming they have more theming elements that are coming in. And then the sound shield over the escalators, if you kind of look between the supports, you can see a little bit of glass that they have installed. I'll get over there in a minute. And then the brake run that I was showing earlier, scaffolding has been, I'm gonna blow away here. Scaffolding has been removed like I was showing earlier. And then they had, 3 weeks ago when I was here, they had a bunch of orange lines on the dirt, and I thought they were gonna dig out. I don't see them anymore other than some remnants on the those little snake things there for the erosion. Gosh, it's so freaking windy. And then over here, they are finishing up the retaining wall, and they've installed a wire rail on top of the retaining wall. Oh, also, oh wow, the backside of the sound wall, there's a bunch of metal beams that go horizontally across. So it looks like they're gonna be doing something on this side of the sound wall as well. That is really good news. Okay, let me walk over to the escalators before I blow away. This construction wall has been shifted a bit. It is pushed closer to the track here, and then over here, it has been moved to the left more. That gate, you can see the center line. It used to be all the way over to the right, so you can see the full gate. Maybe they're gonna put some trees in over here, do something. Oh, well, you know, this is a fire lane, so they probably have to keep this as wide as it was. But for the time being, they are doing some work over there. And now you can see more of the concrete here, and there's cracks all along. So they're obviously going for a Six Flags Magic Mountain aesthetic. I'm kidding. This ties in with this old warehouse and everything for Fast and Furious. It's a small thing, but I was looking at the transfer track, and it's interesting how it shifted all the way over to the left underneath the catwalk. I don't recall seeing that on any other coaster before, where it goes underneath the catwalk. Also have a guy working on more electrical, and not sure when it happened, but there's conduit that's coming underneath the catwalk in several spots here. That might be new since last time, since he is running electrical over there. All right. Then I didn't show you the entrance, so let's do that. Not much has changed here other than they have one more lamp that was installed. I can't wait for the show cars to show up here. I imagine that'll be much closer to when the ride opens. And then, yeah, you can see a bit of the glass for the sound shield as I work over to the escalators. The transfer track is shifted over here as well. And then here's the glass panels for the sound shield. And looking over the construction wall, you can see a bit of wood. And I'm guessing they're building another fence for this queue, permanent fence. And down here on the ground, it's been here, this area's been open for a while, but all these cracks, I didn't really pay attention to it too much before, but yeah. Oh man, there is a lot of work happening over here at the escalators. The stairs are not only blocked off, but we have scaffolding going all the way down the stairs. Here's a look at the glass they've installed on the sound shield. And then down here we have some metal piece, that white piece there. And we still have scaffolding that is attached to the retaining wall here. So I imagine they are not done with this area. My guess is that this metal is going to get some aging, perhaps some rusting, so it fits in a bit better. A lot of equipment down here. Still got to do landscaping. Be a good spot for some trees maybe. And then let me cut across to this side to see what's up. And oh, well, look at this. So this is how they are going to protect people from tossing stuff on the track. I thought they might have just a horizontal piece of glass in line with this railing here, but this is the method they're using, and this is nice because it'll still allow you to get a good unobstructed view of the ride. Let's come down the escalators and get a look at it. Oh, sweet. All right, yeah. It's coming all the way down this way. I imagine that's what they're going to be doing over here. You can see all the scaffolding that's coming all the way down the stairs. I imagine with all the rain we had, it was raining for darn near 3 weeks straight, that they are behind on everything. Let's head over to this side and see what's going on. Oh yeah, there's a good view of all the scaffolding that goes all the way up. But they haven't installed anything yet. Gosh, what are they gonna do here? I don't see any mounts for any supports or anything. Only time will tell. We still have this this old footing. It's just gonna stay here apparently. And yeah, not much of excitement over here. Well, not only do we have scaffolding on the stairs, but we have scaffolding underneath the stairs, and I'm assuming it goes all the way over to the other side. So with that said, maybe they won't be doing any testing for a while. It's kind of hard to tell from here how close it is to the track and if there's enough clearance to do testing. From the comments, I know not everybody is happy with this being a glass sound shield, but hey, you're gonna be able to see right through. You can see the train when it flies by and all the riders screaming. So I think this is a very good choice. And it blends right in with the one that goes over the escalator. Coming up the escalator, I think I've figured it out. There are a series of freshly drilled out holes along right there. Hopefully you can see a little bit of light coming through there. They're all along each section here. My guess is that with the scaffolding on the other side, that they're gonna attach a covering that goes over the staircase. So at the start of my video, I said there wasn't anything happening over here in terms of the hotel project, but I'm on my way out heading back to my car, and I just noticed the fence that is over here along the pathway where I was thinking I was going to shoot the outro. Well, now I have something else to show you. Not just a fence, but we also have a barricade. We have some markings on the ground. USA, USA. It comes all the way down the side of the building here, with the exception of some gaps because, well, they have to access these doors over here, I'm guessing. Or can I actually look? Can I walk this way? Oh, look, I can walk this way, sort of. Wonder what they're doing over here. Yeah. Kind of a mystery at this point. And then I guess a final look at the security hub that they're working on. Oh, I almost forgot. We are getting a new brewery up here where Carl Strauss used to be. And I'm really happy to hear that because Carl Strauss was my go-to. Every time I came to CityWalk, it was nice to get some food and get a beer. And I imagine that this is gonna occupy all of the old restaurant, which was a fairly large restaurant to my memory. It's been quite a while since I've been here. But yeah, restaurant there, and we have outdoor seating over here. And hopefully this is the start of some big things because like the signage is still there for the comedy club that was up here. There were a lot of things all the way up here on the second floor, and it's been, well, empty other than like there's a security building over there. Not very exciting. All right, guys, well, that's gonna do it from here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thank you very much for watching. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, please consider subscribing. It does help me out a great deal. Drop a comment down below, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I invite you to check out my vlog from Six Flags Magic Mountain. I was there earlier this week where more track was being delivered for the new coaster coming next year. And with things wrapping up here with Fast and Furious, I'm probably gonna be spending a lot more time over at Magic Mountain covering that construction. I honestly cannot wait. It's been so long waiting for that thing to get constructed, and it looks like it's gonna happen here really soon. Anyway, take care. I'll see you around really soon. Bye now.